Okay, first you go to your drive folder, jewelry shop final year project. Here you see software. Go inside this folder, you will see two softwares. One is XAMPP, XAMPP, one is Notepad++. You need this one first, XAMPP, XAMPP. You download this one. After download, you just install. It's easy installation because I already have installed in my PC. This one, after you install, you will see this one, XAMPP control panel. Click this. Do two things. First one, Apache start. Second one, MySql start. You can now close the program. This will be running in the background. Close. First you install this and start Apache and MySql. Then you go back, you download, go to website folder, final project. Inside website, you download this zip file. After you download this, you'll see the zip file is here, final. Only this one is previous. Only this one you will find. You right click and paste extract here. Now you have the folder. Inside this folder you have one database, one website store file, and one credential. First go online, click new tab, write localhost / phpmyadmin, localhost / phpmyadmin, and enter. You see this address clearly. Sorry, this is localhost / phpmyadmin. Here you create a database. Name this database Jewel. Click new. The windows will be something like this. Write JEWEL and press create. When you create, you see there is a database called Jewel. Okay, go to Jewel. This will be not like this. It's already, because I have the database. Go to Jewel. It will be empty. Click import, choose file, and go to the downloaded extracted version of your final folder. Go to database, select this one and just press go. After you press go from below, the database will be like this. Okay, so the database is set. Now third thing, go back to your folder. This is store. You see the code is here. You copy this store, go to your local disk C from the beginning. This is your local disk C. You will see there is a new folder called XAMPP, XAMPP. Click that folder, find htdocs. See htdocs. Go inside that folder and your folder will be empty, not like this one, because I already have so much of assignments and so much websites. You just paste the folder here. Now we have the folder here, store. See, done. Go online, click localhost, localhost / your folder name is store, store. Enter. Here you will find your website. Every time you want to view the website, you must turn on this XAMPP. You must turn on Apache and MySql first. Then anytime you write localhost / your folder name, which is store, by the way, here you will see the website. Now for security purpose, I have ensured the home page, edited the about page. You have to edit the titles. This is just a model, you have to change it according to your own. I also have showed products. You have to upload the products, and these functions I have view cut is also available, but other than this, these functions I have disabled for first use, cause you will show to your supervisor and get approved for the design first. See, these all functions I have disabled except for the registration. Other functions are not available. You will show home by clicking here. You will show home, you will show about, product and view cut. Other than this, you will not show anything.